This is not beans moi moi. This is Garri Moi Moi. Wait, is this how people do voiceover? Because I'm clearly not qualified. All right, onions in, pepper in. Basically, everything is going in at this point. What again? What again? Okay, tomatoes. I think you're going to add some water. Okay, I added sardine oil first. Okay. And then I added my seasoning. My seasoning cube. Then you're just going to like add water and mix everything like you're going through something. This first of all, it's not for me. It's not for me. Okay, so you're going to mix it well like you're going through something. Of course, we know you're not. You're just trying to prepare your healthy beans moi moi. Healthy Garri moi moi. The sardine joins the party because why not? Wrap it in nicely. Presentation still matters even in confusion, you know, right? Okay, so I think I'm just trying to combine everything together and then the air comes in my pouch and trying to package it. I don't know why this thing was not even recorded because at some point I didn't even, it wasn't recording. If you don't have my pouch, just make do with any liner or maybe play the house cover. So into the pot goes. Now we wait like calm, responsible adult and just allow everything cook. And it's ready, just like that. Okay, look at it. That is Garri Moi Moi. It's actually ready. I mean, look at it. I like it though. It tasted nice. Do I fully understand what I just made? No. Am I still going to eat it? Absolutely. So the question is over to you. Are you going to eat this or pass it? Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye, guys. Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, drop your comment and always come back for more. I love you. Thanks for supporting.